Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, Episode 14. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to use an AI-personalized 3-touch outreach system to convert cold prospects into high-paying retainers so you can attract better clients with less energy spent. Here's the problem I hear every week. Your pipeline is unpredictable, outreach feels exhausting, and the few responses you get are low-budget leads or generic replies that go nowhere. You want reliable 8K plus months without burning yourself out on chasing leads. That's exactly what this 3-touch system is built for. Quick promise: a compact sequence, a value note, a diagnostic micro audit, and a results anchor, plus fast AI prompts and tight targeting will let you convert cold prospects into premium retainers with minimal sends and low time investment. We'll cover metrics to watch, exact messaging structure, timing, and a simple energy budget, so you can run this from a hostel desk or an island bungalow. First, let me define the 3 touches. Touch 1 is the value note, a short, hyper-relevant message that offers a quick win or idea tied to one measurable KPI. Touch 2 is the diagnostic micro-audit, a concise, personalized observation that signals expertise and opens the door to a paid diagnostic or discovery. Touch 3 is the results anchor, a short case highlight or conservative projection showing the kind of ROI you deliver and a clear next step to talk payments. Those 3 moves, spaced and targeted, protect your energy and qualify prospects fast. Core metrics you must track: reply rate to the sequence, conversion rate from reply to discovery call, and time spent per campaign. For nomads, add a 4th metric: time per successful conversion. If reply rate is under 8 to 10%, shrink your niche. If conversion from call to paid is under 20%, tighten your qualification and price framing. This system protects nomad constraints by keeping sends small, personalization fast, and follow-up scheduled in time-boxed blocks. Now, the 3-step blueprint, step by step, so you can act tonight. Step 1, targeting. Pick a tightly defined micro niche and one measurable KPI. Not e-commerce stores, something like Shopify stores doing 50K to 150K monthly with a 1.2% checkout abandonment rate, where a 0.5% lift equals 8K plus monthly. That specificity makes your messaging credible and your value measurable. Step 2. Touch scripts and the AI prompts you'll use. Keep the messages human, short, and tightly personalized. Templates you can adapt quickly. Message A, value note. Quick idea: your checkout conversion on product pages X looks like it could gain 0.4 to 0.8% with a microflow change I sketched for similar brands. If you want, I can share a 2-minute checklist. Message B, diagnostic micro audit. I checked product X and noticed this one element that's costing around 3 to 5% conversions. Here's a 45-second screenshot note with the fix. Message C, results anchor. For a client like brand Y, we implemented that fix and lifted checkout conversion 0.6%, equals 11K per month. If you want similar numbers, we can do a paid diagnostic and roadmap. Use AI to accelerate personalization. Feed the AI a tiny profile, company name, 1 sentence about the page you saw, 1 KPI, and ask for 3 variants of each message that sound like you. Prompt example in show notes. Write 3 1 to 2 sentence outreach messages for a Shopify brand seeing 50K to 150K MRR. Include 1 measurable idea about checkout conversion and an offer to share a 2-minute checklist. Keep tone confident and concise. Always review and edit for accuracy before sending. Step 3. Cadence and qualification rules. Cadence I recommend for low-energy nomads. Send touch 1 on day 0, touch 2 on day 4 if no reply, and touch 3 on day 10. If they reply at any point, use a qualification rule. If they name budget or timeline in reply, move to a paid diagnostic or set a discovery with clear price framing. If they ask for a free audit, pivot to a short paid diagnostic. That's your gate to high-value clients. Keep voicemails and calls rare. This sequence runs on concise written value. Let me walk you through a real nomad example. A client of mine, a freelance copywriter traveling between Lisbon and Bali, picked a niche: boutique online course creators doing 20 to 60K launches. She targeted the one KPI, cart to checkout completion rate. She sent 25 sequences in 1 week. Her exact messages: a 2-line value note pointing out a headline mismatch and offering a 2-minute checklist, a micro audit with a screenshot and 1 recommended headline test, then a results anchor referencing a past client who saw a 12K lift tied to a headline and funnel tweak. She got 3 replies, qualified 2, did 1 paid diagnostic, and closed a 12K retainer within 2 weeks. This is not luck. It's targeted offers, clear KPIs, and clean qualification.
Curious. Now, how do you scale this without burning out? First, batch your outreach into a single 90-minute session twice a week. Use a 2-column tracker: prospect, KPI, sent touch, reply, next step. Second, batch personalization with a simple AI prompt library. Swap company name and KPI, then generate 3 message variants. Edit 30 to 60 seconds each. Third, enforce an energy budget. No more than 30 active sequences at a time. When a campaign hits 30 prospects, pause, review metrics, and iterate. This keeps outreach predictable and prevents follow-up debt. A few guardrails to avoid risks. 1. Only send to a highly targeted list so messages don't read as spam. 2. Always verify AI personalization. Don't assert numbers or results you can't back up. 3. Run small tests. Measure reply and conversion rates, and reallocate effort to the micro niches that produce real revenue. These 3 simple rules keep your reputation intact and your time profitable. Immediate action step, your 15-minute checklist. 1. Pick your micro niche and 1 KPI. 2. Grab 5 prospects that match. 3. Run this AI prompt from the show notes to generate 3 message variants. 4. Edit messages to confirm facts and add 1 personalized line. 5. Schedule sends and log them in your tracker. That's it. In 15 minutes, you create a campaign that can produce a discovery call, and you only need 1 or 2 wins to fund a month of travel. Recap. Target a tight micro niche and 1 KPI. Use the 3-touch sequence: value note, diagnostic micro audit, results anchor. Personalize quickly with AI, but always verify. And protect your energy with batch sessions and an active sequence cap. If you do this consistently, you trade random low-value outreach for predictable, high-value opportunities. Charge what you're worth, and remember, your skills are your freedom currency. If you want the exact templates, AI prompts, and the outreach tracker I use, grab the Outreach Blueprint PDF and join the Outreach Accelerator course. It includes plug-and-play scripts, real message examples, and live review of your first 30 cents. Enrollment details are in the show notes. Take 1 small action this week and start seeing results. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. I'm Aria Reyes. Build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. Your skills are your freedom currency.